Come on, faggot! Come, faggot.
Dude, we were fucking shredded.
Yeah.
We were doing really
I'm
well.
back at hanger.
There's a group of props chilling, Kevlars with cloth helmets chilling on the rocks in,
Come on,
Max. I've killed like two of them.
come on, faggot!
They're shit.
Come, faggot.
Alright. Alright, come on,
Got him.
TP.
Shoot at him.
How do I do that?
Slash TP8.
Oh, Farmer's call to get a hit. Got it! Woohoo!
Where are we?
Oh,
They're just chilling over there where those barricades are on the rocks. What the hell?
Oh,
They just sit there, so you should be able to headshot them easy.
oh. Got it! Woohoo!
Top gun. And then
Who
they
just
just
fired?
hide.
Oh. Ow. Oh, hacker.
which one's you?
Oh, did he get me again?